हेलो बच्चों, आज हम करेंगे वर्ड ऑफ नंबर्स एक्सरसाइज 3.3 राइट। इसमें आपको वैल्यूज निकालनी है। प्रूव द फॉलोइंग रैशनल नंबर्स आर इक्वल। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, यू हैव टू प्रूव दिस नंबर आर इक्वल राइट। सो व्हेन टू रैशनल नंबर्स आर, रैशनल नंबर क्या होते हैं जिनको हम P अपॉन क्यू यानी कि ए बी अपॉन और सी डी ऐसे, जिसको हम डिवाइड करके लिख सकते हैं, रेशियो में लिख सकते हैं, P अपॉन क्यू की वे में लिख सकते हैं। अब वो बराबर कब होते हैं? व्हेन दीज आर इक्वल, व्हेन ए डी इज इक्वल टू सी बी राइट। Prove that the following rationals are equal. अब हम इनको प्रूव करते हैं वन बाय वन। Now the first thing is given 2/3 is equal to 4/6. So cross multiplication 12 is equal to 3, 4. So this is equal. The first is equal. Then the second one 5/4, and we have given another rational number that is 10/8. If this proves this condition, right, cross multiplication, so 40 and 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40. This is also true. These are equal. Then in the third case we have been given -3 upon 5, and the other rational number is -6 upon 10 right. So again cross multiplication, 3 multiplied by 10 that is 30 minus, and 5 multiplied by -6 that is again -30, which is equal. -30 minus 30 equal. Then the fourth one given 9/3, first rational number, and second one is 3. 3 can be written as 3/1, so this is also a rational number right. So again we have to put the condition 1 and 9, that is 9 is equal to 3, this is a 9. Again the all four are equal, so you can see right. This is question number 1. This condition has to be complied with, then only we can say these are equal. Now the next one is find the sum. Question number 2, find the sum. So what happens when we are given 2 or 3 rational numbers? So what we can do is, let's say we have been given A upon B right plus C upon D. These are 2 rational numbers. So if we have to add this right, so what we can do is the multiplication of CD and A plus C right, or this should be equal, the denominator should be equal. Rather we can say denominator should be equal. It should be equal, then only we can say these are, we can easily say that okay, this is given like this: A upon B and C upon B right. So what we can do is B is equal, so in that case we can say A plus C divided by B. So denominator, if there is not equal denominator is given, you have to equate that. Okay, equate that. Now let's go question number 2 part 1. So first what I was saying, 2/5 plus 3/10 right. So B is not equal here, so what you can do is you can equate the denominator. So how we can do that? Multiply this by 2 and divided by 2, so it will be 4 upon 10 and 3 upon 10. So it is very easy. 4 plus 3 upon 10 is equal to 7 upon 10. So what we have done is, what I was saying, if the denominator is not given equal, you have to make it equal. We have been given 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 10. So denominator is different. So we have to make it 10. To make it 10, we have to multiply it, but we have to make it balanced. So we have to multiply 2 and divide by 2. So that will make 4 by 10. And then denominator is equal. So a plus b, that is 4 plus 3, and divided by 10, 7 by 10. It is easy. Second one is 7 upon 12 plus 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8. So what we can do is, इसमें the nearest one is, what we can do, 24, right? 24 कर सकते हैं हम. So 24 करने के लिए इसको 2 multiply by 7 and 2 multiply by 12, right? And similarly here also 3 multiply by 5 upon 3 multiply by 8. That makes ये हो जाएगा आपका 14 प्लस 24 प्लस 15 24, और ये आपका हो जाएगा देन 14 plus 15 upon 24, that is 29 upon 24. Easy, very easy. Make the denominator equal, then you can add the numerator and denominator would be equal. So third part of question number 2, minus 4 upon 7 plus 3 upon 14. 3 upon 14. So what we can do is, this is a bit different, so make it equal. So that is multiply by 2 and divided by 2, that is minus 8 upon 14. Then 3 upon 14 is equal to minus 8 plus 3 upon 14, so minus 5 upon 14. So this would be answer. Very simple, right? If the denominator is not equal, then you have to make it equal, and then the things are very easy. Now we move to question number 3, and let's see what is given in question number 3. Question number 3, find the difference. Now we have to find the difference. The same thing is, we can easily say that if the denominator is equal, right? So if AB minus CB is given, so what we can do is, here the denominator is equal, so we can easily say A minus C upon B. Okay? If the denominator is not equal, then you have to make it equal. So first we have given 5 by 6 minus 1 by 4. 5 by 6 minus 1 by 4, right? So 12, we can make it 12. So to make it 12, divide by 2 and multiply by 2, that is 5 multiply 2 multiply by 5 and 2 multiply by 6 minus, and we have to make it 12. So 3 multiply by 1, 3 multiply by 4. This becomes 10 upon 12 minus 3 upon 12. It is very easy now. 12 and 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 upon 12. So this is your answer. In the second part, it says 11 by 8 minus 3 by 4. So we have to make it 4. So 11 by 8 will remain as it is, and multiply by 2, divide by 2. So it will be 3 by 2 and 4 multiply by 2 is 11 by 8 minus 3 to this 6 divided by 8. So 8, 11 minus 6, that is 5 by 8. So this is your answer, 5 by 8. Then comes third one, minus minus plus. So 7 and minus again minus 2 by 3, right? So what we have to do, 7 by 9 will remain like this, and 3 we have to make it 9. So like this, 2 multiply by 3 and 3 multiply by 3. Now we will solve minus 7 by 9 minus 6 by 9. So minus 7 by 9 minus minus plus, this become plus, so 6 by 9, and then 9 minus 7 plus 6 is equal to minus 1 upon 9. So this would be your answer. So there are two things, you have to make it equal, then minus minus plus, so this would become plus, and then you have to write. The next question is related to multiplication. Question number 4 says product, right? If we have been given A upon B, right, and B upon C, C upon D, C upon D. So this is simple, A multiplied by C and B multiplied by D. This is the rule, right? Numerator multiplied by numerator, denominator multiplied by denominator. Now first one, it says 2 by 3, 2 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 10, 3 by 10. So as per this condition, 2 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 10. So we can rationalize also, but we will take it later. So 6 multiplied by 30, or if you want to make it short और थोड़ा simplify करना चाहते हैं तो 6 5 1 by 5, और answer would be 1 by 5, right? Second, 7 by 11 multiplied by 5 by 8, 5 by 8, like this. Numerator multiply denominator multiply 35 88. So this is your answer. Third one is minus 4 upon 7 multiplied by 5 upon 14, 5 upon 14, yes. So numerator minus 5, then minus 4 multiplied by 5, 7 multiplied by 14, तो ये हो जाएगा minus 20. Now if you want to solve it further, so 10 upon, so this would be your answer, right? Find the quotient. Now we have division. Now question number 5. Now what is the condition if you have been given A upon B divided by C upon D? So what happens? This can be, it will remain same, A upon B, right? And this will be change their position, D upon C, right? ये swap हो जाएंगे. Instead of C, D will take its place and C will come down. So now first thing, first 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 10, 3 by 10. So as per this condition, 2 by 3 will remain the same, multiply by 10 upon 3, right? So this will be 20 upon 9. So this is your answer. Question number 5, part 2, 7 by 11 divided by 5 by 8. So as per condition, 7 upon 11 will remains the same, and they will change their places. 8 by 5, so 56 upon 55. So this will be our answer. Then the third one is, third part of question number 5, minus 4 upon 7 divided by 5 upon 14. So as per condition, the first will remains the same, minus 4 upon 7 multiply by, they will change the place, 14 upon 5, right? We can solve it yahin pe 2, so minus 8 upon 5. So this is your answer, right? 7 से हमने 7 को 12 14 से काट दिया, तो ये 2 आ गया यहाँ पे, 4 minus 4 multiply by 2 minus 8 and 5 5. ठीक है, so this is it, your question number 5, which was related to condition of divisibility. So in question number 6, we have to show this, which has been given in the question. So whatever we have done till question number 5, we have to apply over here, right? So first thing, we have to make the denominator equal. So इसको 4 करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, 2 multiply by 1 and 2 multiply by 2 plus 3 by 4, this is 8 multiply by 8 by 3 is equal to, ये तो सिंपल है, आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है न्यूमरेटर न्यूमरेटर. सो 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 प्लस ये भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन न्यूमरेटर टू न्यूमरेटर, डिनोमिनेटर टू डिनोमिनेटर, राइट. ये हो गया आपका 2 डिवाइडेड बाई 4 प्लस 3 बाई 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 8 बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू, ये क्या हो गया आपका 8/6 और ये हो गया आपका 24/12. ठीक है, अब ये क्या हो गया हमारा 2 + 3/5, राइट. 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 8/3 इज इक्वल टू, अब ये जो है बराबर करने पड़ेंगे ऐड करने के लिए. तो 12 करने के लिए मुझे 2 से 8 को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, 2 से 6 को भी, प्लस 24/12. ये मेरा कितना हो गया 2 3 5/4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 8/3 इज इक्वल टू, ये कितना हो गया 16/12 प्लस 24/12, राइट. मल्टीप्लिकेशन न्यूमरेटर टू न्यूमरेटर 40/12 इज इक्वल टू, ये कितना हो गया मेरा, नीचे 12 भी है, 16 + 24 दैट इज 40/12 इज इक्वल टू 40/12, hence proved, right. So left hand side is equal to right hand side in question number 6. Now we move to question number 7. Now let's see what does this question say. Simplify the following using the distributive property. So we have to use the distributive property. You know that when we are using the distributive property in multiplication, the answer remains the same. So we have been given 7/9 multiply 6/7 minus 3/4. So what we have to do is multiply these two and then multiply this one and this one, then deduct this. So चलिए 7/9 multiply by 6/7 minus 7/9 multiply 3/4, right. So ये हो गया 42 63 minus 21 और 36, राइट. तो ये क्या सॉल्व होता है, मैं अभी इसे सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ, कुछ और कर सकता हूँ. 7 से इसको काट दीजिए 63 और रादर ये और सॉल्व हो जाएगा 21 से सीधा 21 2/3 21 से मैंने इसको काट दिया, 21 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 42 और 21 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 63 एंड ये आपका हो जाएगा 3 से और 7 12, राइट। अब हम इसको क्या कर सकते हैं, अब इसको हम डिडक्ट कर सकते हैं। फर्स्ट मेक इट इक्वल, सो 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2, 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 माइनस 7/12 इज इक्वल टू, ये कितना हो जाएगा 8/12 माइनस 7/12 इज इक्वल टू 12 हो जाएगा आपका। 8 माइनस 7 इज इक्वल टू 1/12। दिस इज योर आंसर, 1/12, राइट। इन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, सिर्फ सिंप्लीफाई करना था और कुछ नहीं, प्लस माइनस जो आपका दिया हुआ है एज पर द कंडीशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, this is bit different. It says find the rational number x such that you have been given such a condition and you have to find out the x, right? चलिए, write first 5/6 x plus 3/5 is equal to 5/6 x प्लस 1/2। ठीक है, पहले आपकी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी लगा लेते हैं। ठीक है, जैसे पिछले क्वेश्चन में दिया था, तो 5x/6 प्लस इसकी से मल्टीप्लाई करो 15 और ये हो जाएगा इतना। ठीक है, इसको ऐड करने के लिए आपको इसको बराबर करना पड़ेगा। तो ये आपका क्या है, 5x + 6 है इज इक्वल टू, अब आप सॉरी प्लस आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसको बराबर करना पड़ेगा। तो 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 बराबर हो गया। इसको भी बराबर कीजिए। ठीक है, सीधा भी कर सकते हैं, वी कैन टेक इट एलसीएम, बट एज गिवन इन द बुक NCERT वी आर फॉलोइंग दैट रूल, राइट। सो इसको इक्वेट करने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। 5x मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5 प्लस आपका हो जाएगा 15/30 इज इक्वल टू 5x + 6 प्लस 3/6, राइट। अब ये हो गया आपका 25x + 30 + 15 + 30, 5x + 6 + 3/6। अब ये आपका क्या हो गया 30, 25x + 15, सिमिलरली ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका 6, 5x + 3, राइट। अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं, ये लीजिए 6 को इससे काट दीजिए नीचे, तो ये हो जाएगा 5। ठीक है, 25x + 15/5 इज इक्वल टू 5x + 3। इसके नीचे 1 है, इसके नीचे इसको आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर देते हैं। 25x + 15 इज इक्वल टू, ये हो जाएगा 25x + 15। इफ यू कैन चेक both the sides are equal। अगर आप देखोगे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद 25x + 15, 25x + 15, so both the sides are equal, so x can have any value। ठीक है, कोई भी वैल्यू अगर आप रखोगे वो बराबर ही आएगी। कोई भी रैशनल वैल्यू अगर आप रखोगे, ठीक है, तो वो बराबर ही आएगी क्योंकि बोथ द साइड्स आर इक्वल। सो दैट इज इट, योर exercise number 3.3. In the next class we will move to exercise 3.4. Thank you.